Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 5 latest defense updates. Number 1, assembly of Tejas MK2 on track. First flight eyed in 2026. The development of the Tejas MK2, India's next generation fighter jet, is progressing steadily. While component orders are underway, the actual assembly is expected to begin in mid-2025. Initial progress involves acquiring long-range replaceable units and other components, some of which will be sourced internationally. Next, Chinese J-35 test flight sparks discussion. A viral video circulating on the Twitter has sparked discussion about the development of China's J-35 stealth fighter jet. The video shows the J-35 taking off with puffs of black smoke emanating from its engine. The black smoke is likely a byproduct of the jet's engine undergoing testing. The J-35 is believed to be powered by the Guizhou WS-19 engine, which is derived from the earlier WS-13 and ultimately based on the Russian Kilmov RD-93 turbofan. During initial tests, particularly engine starts, incomplete combustion can lead to black smoke emission. It's a normal occurrence and does not necessarily indicate a problem with the engine test. Next, LRSAM will be a game changer. Lockheed Martin's recently test launch of 4 long-range anti-ship missiles, that is LRASM, has reignited discussions about the potential integration of this weapon system with India's P-81 fleet. Here's how LRSAM could revolutionize the capabilities of these potent anti-submarine warfare aircraft. Next, MRFA Tender not cancelled for TEDBF. A recent report by TV9 Bharatvarsh claiming the Indian Air Force cancelled the MRFA multi-role fighter aircraft tender for 114 jets in favor of the locally developed TEDBF was an April Fool's Day prank. The prank originated from a YouTube channel that falsely claimed on Twitter that the IAF has scrapped the MRFA program, a multi-billion-dollar deal to procure 114 fighter jets. The channel alleged the IAF could instead focus on the TEDBF, a naval fighter currently under development. Next, flight tested successfully of Agni Prime. India successfully flight tested the new generation ballistic missile Agni Prime from the APJ Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha. The Defense Ministry said the test flight was carried out on Wednesday evening. It said the test met all the trial objectives, validating its reliable performance, as confirmed from the data captured by a number of range sensors deployed at different locations. Thank you.